Hi, it's me again with CorelDRAW Tips and Tricks, and somebody drew this train track for a border, and they want it like welded together without having to go through and delete all these lines to make it look like that. So for the one I'm doing it for, I'm going to turn off your indexing lines. That was a good idea to have them. And I'm going to see how big this thing is, and it's over 21 inches. I'm going to change that to 0. I don't really need to, but I'm going to change my nudge factor to 23 inches. And I'm going to take your outside border and move it out of the way twice. Then I'm going to take your individual rails and I'm going to move these up. I'll move the other ones to the left. I'm going to move these down. I'm going to move, let me zoom in here. I'll move these to the right. Move these to the right. Now I'm going to select all these and I'm going to group them together. Now I'm going to nudge them up and over. Now I'm going to grab these and nudge them back. So I'm going to move this one up, move this one over, and I'm going to group this together, Control G. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to move it over and down. Let's zoom in here, and we still have those lines. But if we select it all, we can weld it. And in just a second or two, all the lines are gone. And you can do anything you want to with it. If you want to fill it in with black, to make the border, or whatever you want to do. It's a hairline right now, so it's going to cut. So if you're going to leave it engraved, you need to make it at least a half of a point. You might want to fill it in. But then you can nudge this back over twice, and voila, you have pretty cool bunch of locomotives and cars, and he did a pretty good job of welding everything together, and that'll make a pretty neat border for whatever he's going to put in the inside. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.